If you fail to do the protocol, if you are in the public school, you might be charged an administrative case. But if you work in the private school, your president will be charged an administrative and subject for the revocation of the government recognition and permit because only of the issue by not sending the intake sheet. You know what's an intake sheet? May nakakita na ba mga RGCs natin, mga designates ang intake sheet? So it's a form. Failure to comply with that particular form, it's a ground for revocation for non-compliant with the existing policies of the Department of Education. And we do not want that to happen. Pag ako pupunta sa school na private school, asahan nyo na yun at there are para ako yung taga-international ICC. Pupunta ako to serve sa isang private school. Kung sasaraduhan na ba yung eskwelahan mo o hindi. Kaya pag ako, makita nyo pumunta sa eskwelahan nyo, sasaraduhan na yung school natin. But kidding aside, we also provide support to the private school so that it will not happen. And that's now the role of the Field Technical Assistance Division, which is also I am the head. Parang parang contract, parang i-balance. Ikaw yung nagkakaso kasi ikaw din yung magre-resolve. Parang bias. But I really have to comply because it's the assignment was given to me by my regional director, Atty. Alberto P. Escobar. Okay, next slide po.